Once you have the surgery, your results are in, nobody should be able to tell that you have had a hair transplant. With the newest technology that we have now, if it's done correctly by an experienced team, the results will be totally natural. That is not so simple to create. It has to do with putting the hairs in just the right angle, the right direction. That takes experience. This patient asks me all the time, will anybody know that this is a transplant? No, unless you tell them. Now, if you have severe hair loss, and of course, you show up with hair, people may realize it, but the nice thing is that it's your own hair. You can style it the way you want it. And I have lots of patients that were very bald before, now they have the hair, and people don't really tell them anything, because remember, you're not going to walk away from the office with a full head of hair. It's going to take time for that to develop. So during that phase, after the healing process of about 10 days, you're back to the way that you were when you walked in the office. And then things start to change slowly. I compare it to watching grass grow. You don't realize until one day you have to cut it. So, your hairs will come in slowly, and people really don't notice. So much so that every time I do a follow-up, like 8 months or 10 months after the surgery, the patient I'll look at the pictures that we did before, and they're like, well, that's not me. I don't remember being that bald before, because it's such a slow progression. And people usually, they don't point the finger to the hair. They say to the patient, well, you look great, you lost some weight, you look better, healthier. It's a very nice thing to see, is to see that transition and see the changes in the patient's demeanor, how they approach things and how they feel about themselves. So